Hi everyone, welcome to Analytics for Notion. I'm Alexis, co-maker of Analytics for Notion, and in this video I will show you how to get started with the tool. You will see it's very simple. Okay, let's go to the tool. In the application, when you log in into the application the first time, or if you want to create a new workspace, you will be asked to follow two steps. The first one leads to Synchronize, Notion, and Analytics for Notion. To do this, click on this button, Sync with Notion. Select your Notion workspace and click on Select Pages. Here, I recommend you to select all the content of your workspace and give the access. Okay. On the second step, you have to select the pages you want to track. Analytics for Notion works with trackers that are installed into Notion pages. And in this step, you have to select those pages which will be tracked. So, for example, you can select some of them or check them all. And don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. Okay. Here, you can see that all the pages are tracked, and you can check this by go to your Notion pages. Okay. Here, you can see that the tracker is installed on the Notion page. If you want to check if it works, you can go to the mission pages or go to the overview, for example. And here, you can see that indeed there is a current active user, which is me. And I created a new user, a view and a session on the mission page. All is done. Your Analytics for Notion account is fully configured and you can get all the data of your Notion workspace. In another video, I will show you the different parts of the application, so the analytics part, but also the settings part. If you have any question, you can contact us with the chat app over here, or you can send us an email at support@analyticsfornotion.com. Thank you.